This is how people will make money online in 2025, and no one's talking about it, except you, right now. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and actually make money online in 2025, you need to understand how AI is changing everything. These 3 tools will help you start today, no investment needed. This tool turns simple text into professional videos, automatically. People are using it to create YouTube content, sell videos on Fiverr, and promote products on TikTok or Instagram. And it works without a camera, mic, or editing experience. Want to sell digital products like planners, journals, or templates? Use Creative Fabrica's AI tool to generate designs and access thousands of fonts, SVGs, and graphics to sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Durable builds full websites for businesses in 30 seconds. You can use it to sell website templates, offer services to small businesses, and create your own landing pages without coding. Web design is one of the most profitable AI hustles, and you don't need tech skills to do it. This year is different. AI is making it easier than ever to launch a side hustle, build an audience, or sell digital services, but only the people who take action now will be ahead next year. These tools are free to start and you can use them right now. Comment 2025 Hustle if you want a part 2, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos showing you how to grow your income with AI.